very much for joining with me. And most probably, we are going to make a great conversation and great communication here in that platform, right? So, may I know at the very initial stages, before we jump into our real conversations, we got to know each other, right? So, may I know, please, which country are you from?
I'm from China.
Oh, that sounds great. And as you know that I'm from Bangladesh,
What?
and
Can you type that?
yep, I am from Bangladesh. Can you spell it? Can you pronounce yours?
I think I just don't know its English name.
Okay, so you can pronounce with mine, which is Bangladesh. Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yeah. And we are very close to your country, and I am very upset that you don't know about my country. So I have a questions for you. So please tell me about some neighbor country of your country, which is China, right? Yeah, have told me that you are from China. So may I know, please, some country which is very neighbor, which is very close neighbor to your home country?
We are very close, right? So
Yeah.
let me guess. I already started my map.
Okay. So we are like beside in India and Myanmar, and we are in the between India and
India,
Myanmar, and
Myanmar.
yeah, and
Let
we
me
are in the between. And in one side we have Bay of Bengal, which is the sea area.
let me check.
Yeah, take your time, no problem. But we should have so many questions and so many things to discuss about because we are going to have that conversations more than 7 minutes, right?
Yeah. Oh, I know it, but I
Okay.
don't know how to using this right.
Okay.
Bangladesh.
Yes, I'm from Bangladesh. Yeah.
Okay, I
Okay.
find it.
Okay. Thank you very much for found it. No problem. So, do you have any kind of questions about regarding? Sorry. Do you have any kind of question regarding my country
Any what?
that you wanna know? Do you have any kind of questions that you wanna know regarding my country?
I let me see. I know little about your country, to be
Okay, so
honest.
may I know, please, that which particular things that you know about my country? Probably I will be very happy to hear about that. Other countries' people know about my country.
Yes, I'm searching.
Yeah. This is a very popular song in my country. So where did you found it? In TikTok or in Google Map?
Red Note. Do you know it? Red Note.
Oh no, I don't know about it.
Yeah, because TikTok is banned recently. Do you know that? It's banned by USA.
Yes, but
So
it's
many.
banned by USA, but I don't know it is banned all over the world or not.
So you can still use TikTok right now.
No, I don't know because I was not a TikTok user, and I
Oh,
open a lot to use like YouTube, Episoden, and some other
yeah.
platform where I can get some information from other people.
I just want to know. This is a girl from your country in
Yeah,
Red Note.
yeah, probably.
Yeah, because TikTok is banned, so many TikTok users come to another Chinese social media app in this app, Red Note.
Wow, red
Just like
note.
this.
Okay,
He say,
probably.
hi everyone, my name is, and I'm from Bangladesh.
Wow, that's good. That's good. No problem. So,
English.
did you know about my country and have you ever watched any videos from Bangladesh in TikTok or any other platforms that you use?
Yep, I used to find. I want to know your
Okay, that's
know your
good.
country's this. Is that
I
true?
have never seen what is it, but this is the first time I have
It's
seen this
about
video.
wash your face just like this. Is that
Wow,
true?
wow, that's good, but I don't know because I don't wash
Oh,
my face
you
like that
know.
way. I never
How
washed
about
my
the
face
bus?
like that way.
How the
Okay,
uh
so no problem. May I ask you some questions about yourself and about your country as well? So that's how I can get some information from about your country and yourself as well.
how about this one?
Um, I don't know because it's not clear to see.
This kind of car.
Yep, this kind of car we have in my own country. This kind of vehicles we have, and it's very popular. And probably you are not going to find it this kind of like vehicles anywhere in this world without Bangladesh.
Oh, just
Yes,
like
it's very
this.
popular. Probably